This video is the second part of the previous one. It's time to transfer my dogs tokens to the buyer. Go to My Orders. Next, navigate to Delivery. From the drop-down menu, choose Maker Orders. Here you'll see my adjusted order. The main adjustment concerns the amount of dogs tokens I need to transfer to the buyer. According to Bitget or other exchange rules, they can change the coin quantity if the total supply has been altered. That's exactly what happened here. Bitget initially made calculations based on a total supply of 100 billion tokens, as I mentioned in my previous video about the pre-market. Now, DOGS has announced a total supply of 550 billion tokens. Now, look at the delivery quantity field. I need to deliver 5,500 DOGS tokens, even though my original order was for 1,000 DOGS. It's clear that the number of tokens I need to deliver has increased by 5.5 times, which matches the increase in total supply. Another point to note is that the initial price per token was $0.0052 and the current price is $0.00094545 per token, meaning my tokens have also depreciated by 5.5 times. This, of course, is not good. I think the reason for this is that DOGS became an extremely popular Telegram app, necessitating the minting of many more tokens, which led to increase from 100 billion to 550 billion tokens. Now let's go to the spot account. I've received my 5,778 DOGS, so I have enough to deliver them to the buyer to complete my order. Return to order delivery, open order details, and press confirm. Successful. But it seems like nothing has happened. Maybe I need to check additional information about the delivery time. Let's open the pre-market documentation and search for information about delivery. Delivery completion. Prior to the designated delivery time, sellers must ensure that they have the required amount of new tokens in their spot account. I have the necessary amount of DOGS tokens in my spot account. Once delivery is completed, the corresponding tokens are transferred to the buyer's spot account, and funds are transferred to the seller's account after deducting fees. Okay, now it's clear to me. I just need to wait for the delivery time, which is tomorrow. At that time, Bitget will automatically transfer my DOGS tokens to the buyer and deposit USDT into my spot account. Great, let's just wait. For additional information or updates, you can join my Telegram channel. If you found this information useful, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.